Take a look at that shit. It's only a few months old that already falls apart. This screw came out when it's rotating at high speed. Of course it made a bang and this thing is glued. I'm disappointed. See that motor start to come off of that thing, and all the 3 screws are also loose there. Beard. Any ideas for how to get that thing off? It would be useful if you know. See ya. Thank you for watching.